Okay, for the next scenario, we will be replacing a mirror and installing a tag. So again, we have to create a new advice, and we will choose the action that we want: meter replace, AMR install. Now we've done that. We have to click on the magnifying glass icon and search for the old meter number under meter code 09Q J01511D. Search for it. You'll find out. Click select. Now you see that the old meter number is pre-populated and we have a bit more things to fill up. So the final read is 160,296 kiloliters. Time water off. Just click on the watch icon, save. Take a photo. Again, just click OK. And as long as you can see the meter number and the final read, by the way, this is just a training video, so don't worry about the final read there. Take a photo. If it's visible, not blurry, accept it. Once it's accepted, we now go to putting the details of the new water meter. So we put the new water meter as 19V. We're installing a V200HT, by the way, 03630T. Size is 20 millimeter meters, for example. And the start read is 0.12536. And when you go to the meter type, just click on the arrow down button, and you have to go to the bottom to find the V200HT. Of course, there's a lot of choices there. So meter location, let's just say it's on the right-hand side. And we already have the GPS captured automatically. Now for the AMR, please refer to the video on how to get the AMR of V200HT. But for this instance, as I've said, it's a training manual. We'll say that we have taken the photo of it, and we know that it's 6031. Just for example. Never mind the MRC there. Now, is it a compound meter? No. Just don't do anything. Click on the watch icon for the time one. Save. Above ground, say yes. Metal, no. Radio, no. Water obstruction, no. Liter per pulse for V200HT is always 1. And then we'll take a photo. Again, please don't mind the start. It's the correct start meter read, by the way. Sorry. So take a photo of the serial number over there and the start read. Once it comes up, there you go. So is it readable? Yes. Save it. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, you should have been able to do a swipe of the V200HT. We'll just take a photo. So this is the photo of that. This is the screen. So just capture that. I know there will be a different radio ID. Please don't look into that. This is a sample thing. So save that and then do an area photo where that we can use to locate the meter in the future if need be. So let's just say that's good enough for me and accept that. Now we're finished doing that. We can now go and click validate if we've done everything correct. So it says it's correct. So just click OK here and then click save and new.